Hello my keto fam, today we're making one of my favorite keto fat bombs. It's dairy free and you won't go over your protein, and it's zero carbs with very high healthy fats and none of the bad fats we try to avoid. It's only 4 ingredients recipe. We start with 1 cup, about 70 grams of desiccated coconut, 100 milliliters of melted coconut oil. I use liquid sucralose, so I mix it in the oil. If you use powder sweetener, you can mix it straight with the desiccated coconut. I use 10 drops of liquid sucralose for this recipe. Make sure you mix it quite well, as once all ingredients are combined it will be quite difficult to mix it and may not be equally sweet. Combine the desiccated coconut, the coconut oil and the sweetener together and refrigerate for about 20 to 30 minutes till it's quite solid. Before I refrigerate the mixture, I'm making 5 heart-shaped fat bombs today, as well as the ordinary balls. So I'm using ice cube forms actually, and they're really practical. In one of the shapes I put about 1 teaspoon of the mixture first, then a hazelnut and another teaspoon of the mixture to top it off. Make sure you press all the mixture together quite well, as it can fall apart if it's not pressed strong enough. And that's going in the fridge for 20 minutes as well. When the mixture is hard, take it out of the fridge and start creating a bowl. First, take a little bit of the mixture. Press it quite hard, as at the beginning it might be a little bit loose. It's not very difficult, it's just a little technique I had to learn at the beginning. The most important is the mixture to be slightly warm, but not too warm, otherwise it won't form the ball. The heat from your hands will help the mixture to warm up slightly, just enough to form a ball. When it's pretty much sticky, put a hazelnut in the middle and put some more mixture on top of it and continue creating the ball until it's finally formed. With this recipe I make about 5 heart-shaped and 7 round-shaped fat bombs. Each fat bomb is half a carb. The full list of macros are in the description. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you do create this recipe. Thank you very much for watching my keto fam. See you next time with more keto friendly recipes.